What's up, you guys? It is Kitty Cass, and today we're doing an unboxing of Wick Wish Candle Co.'s Tim Burton collection of candles. Let's have a moment of silence for all the Tim Burton fans out there, because I died when I heard about this. Like, other than my shirt and some of the things in the background, Tim Burton is my favorite director of all time. Almost every movie he's ever come out with has always been a huge favorite of mine. Beetlejuice, Edward Scissorhands, Corpse Bride, and Nightmare Before Christmas. Duh, Cass, jeez. When I think of Halloween, I think of Tim Burton. When I think of Christmas, I also think of Tim Burton, because Nightmare Before Christmas. And a little bit of Edward Scissorhands, which is a little strange, but I think it's because there's snow. Edward makes snow. But yeah, so this box here has the full collection of Tim Burton candles. I got 4-ounce candles because I live in Canada and everything's expensive. So this was $38 US. I'll put somewhere over here how much it is Canadian. Yeah, I originally wanted the 8-ounce candles. I did the math on that. My bank account said no. So this is the best we got. Okay, so the candles that are in here are Beetlejuice themed, Corpse Bride themed, Big Fish themed, Nightmare Before Christmas themed, and of course Edward Scissorhands. Did I already say that? Corpse Bride, Big Fish, Nightmare Before Christmas, Beetlejuice, Corpse Bride. All those. And while I'm unboxing them, I will put an indentation over here on what the website says is in these candles, like the smell, like if there's vanilla or cinnamon or anything like that, because Lord knows I don't remember. So without further ado, let's get into this box. I believe it's one lady that actually does it. She did this collection. Everything's hand poured. I'm pretty sure it's just her. I know she did a restock. I don't know when she's doing another restock, but let's hope she does when this video comes out, at least. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. If I can ever get the box open. And I'm a little nervous because the way that they meaning Canada Post, put my box down. I'm hopefully praying to God, even though it says fragile on it, that nothing's actually broken. Aww. So, Wick Wish, thank you sincerely for your order. Please tag us in all unboxings and videos, of course. Oh, and there's a little handwritten note. Thank you. That's so cute. So, small batch poured, like I said, 100% soy. So, all these candles are soy, and again, 4 ounces because I'm poor. So, when you open it, other than the little papers, you got this beautiful thing of black worms, very on theme. So we're just gonna shimmy these off and get to the nitty-gritty candles. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's a sample of a wax melt. Paraquat? I don't know. I'm curious. What's it smell like? Oh, see. Ooh, it's fuzzy. That's why. It smells like Belgian chocolate, cedar leaf, and tonic. Me don't know. So that's super duper cute that we got a sample in this box. Oh, they're so tiny. That's so cute. They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops, and that's the truth. Ooh. ripping everything. I'm a monster. Okay. So this is Time Stops. So this is Big Fish, if I remember correctly. So it has caramel, popcorn, spiced cider, and daffodils. Ooh. It smells like a fair, like a county fair almost in the spring. So you can smell like the fresh, crisp apples and the caramel, you know, that's in the fair. It smells really good. And it has this cute little design too, if my light wasn't so bright. Okay, next one. Ooh. Okay. Can a heart still break once it's stopped? This one is obviously Corpse Bride, one of my favorites. Yes, Corpse Bride. So this is Dark Woods, Vanilla, Spring, and Palo Santos. I hope I said that right. Wow, that is a wave of emotions. I love the little blue butterflies on here. I don't know how I feel about it. I can smell Palo Santos for sure. And the vanilla. I'll have to keep sniffing it to decide if I really like it. Okay, next one. This is Halloween. Nightmare Before Christmas. So Sally's Deadly Nightshade. Amazing. So amazing. And this one, ooh, it's in tiny writing. Upside down. Pumpkin, waffles, pecans, and blueberries. Wow. This one slapped me in the face. It's that pumpkin, waffles, and I would say the blueberries. It smells very good though. Oh, it makes me want to have breakfast. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, next one. Oh, they smell all so good. Some of them I need to warm up to compared to others, but... Oh, Beetlegeist, Beetlegeist, Beetlegeist. If you didn't already know, fun fact, Beetlejuice, the movie, was actually supposed to be spelled Beetlegeist, like so. But when they did it with test audiences, they actually didn't know how to say it, and they didn't know what it was, so that's why Tim Burton changed it to Beetlejuice, even though technically that's why on his grave it says Beetlegeist, and that was the original name of the film, was Beetlegeist. Okay, so let's see what this one smells like. Strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual. So this one's absinthe, cinnamon, and black lace. And it's, of course, in the Beetlejuice type. Oh.
A few minutes later.
Oh, this one's my favorite. So everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. That's something to live by. And last but not least, which one do we have left? Edward Scissorhands. This movie always makes me cry. Frosted Mint, Lemon, Verbella, and something I can't pronounce. Ooh. Oh yeah, and it's got this beautiful like filigree right here. And it's called The Ice Dance, which I love that song in that movie. Oh, it smells so good. Why do they smell so good? I don't want to burn them. I just want to sniff them. Is anyone else like that? Leave a comment down below if you hate burning candles because, or at least hate burning certain candles because you just want to smell them. Let me know that I'm not alone, please. Oh god, I gotta stop sniffing. Huffing it over here. So that's the end of our box. We just got some peanuts. But yeah, I really like this collection. It's very different in the sense that I don't know a lot of people that do Tim Burton like inspired candles and do such cute little packaging. I would highly recommend checking out her shop. I think she also does like Stranger Things ones and all kinds of other TV shows and movie candles. So again, these are 4-ounce candles. They have 8-ounce, and they also have ones with wooden wicks, I believe. I think they're a little bit more expensive, but again, this is for the 4-ounce bundle of Tim Burton candles. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below to the Tim Burton collection in case it's still up and running and you want to get your hands on something from it. And I'll also include just a link to her shop in case you're curious on checking her out. Also, don't forget to comment down below your favorite Tim Burton movie. I am curious to see what your guys' favorites are. And remember, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great one. Bye.